Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use scales with an unusual number of columns in lab.js. So if I show you this example here, we've got a 6-point Likert scale, which is the Oxford Happiness Scale. So if I just show you this, you can see it's on a 1 to 6 scale, but if I go onto lab.js and click here, you can see that you only have the options of 5, 7, 9 and 11. Now one of the easiest options is just to use your go one above, so go to 7 if you've got a 6-point scale, and just add in I do not wish to answer. And that way you can also choose the force response option so that you can remind participants if they missed out one of the questions. Or likewise, if you had an 8-point scale, you would just go to 9 and then add in the same option. But let's say you don't want to do that. Let's say you just want a 6-point Likert scale. And to do that, we can go here and we would go export. Now, one of the things I'd recommend here is that you download a free program which is called Notepad++, which I think is available on Windows. And then there's BBEdit on Mac if you're that inclined. So what we want to do is go and download it, and you can just go and download it here. And then we want to go and open this file, and then go edit, and then right click and choose edit in Notepad++. Then we want to come here, like so, and go to where it says width, and you want to change that to 6. And then what that should do is that should just cut off the last answer. But equally, what we might want to do is just go and delete this like so. And then go to delete. And then we want to take the final comma out here. Then we go file, then we go save. And then we go back onto lab.js, go hit the plus icon, hit the folder icon, click import, go and import as a new page here, and you can see it imports. Okay, so just before I go, I want to also show you a little technique. So often when working with JSON files, the file format can be very picky. So if you make a slight mistake in the editing or something like that, that can cause problems. So let's go and create a deliberate mistake. So I'm going to go and export this. Let's go and export the original one actually. So let's go and export this. So then if we go and edit this, and then go edit like so. Then I'm going to come down here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this incorrectly. So if you notice, I've not deleted the comma. And then I'm going to go and save this. And then I'm going to try and go and upload it. And you're going to see that it's going to give an error. So let's do plus. Let's do import again. Import. Like that. And you can see it says cannot load file, error in file, basically. So one thing I'd recommend if you end up like that is you go Control A, Control C to copy it, and then do Control onto here. So let's go clear and go validate JSON, and you can see that it throws a wobbly and it highlights where the error is. So it says error. Strongly disagree, comma, and it's saying there's an issue there. And you can then see, oh, the issue is that I've got a comma in there and I shouldn't do. So all I would do is go like that and then validate JSON again, and you can see that you get a clean JSON file there. So that's how you can upload unusual numbered item questionnaires into lab.js.